Hi all, so today I am Navani Kholin from the Stormlight Archive, and I am dressed for the party, which I am hosting in about 30 minutes. So maybe I'll give you just a quick tour of the house and everything that's in it. I'll do just a little run through so you can see everything that we have prepared. I'm so excited for what people think. Okay. First off is my room. Not much has changed for my room, but I have these little dragons in here, and then in here as well. And then as we go out here, we have the loft. And let's see, this room, you can't really see the lights yet because it's still day out, but when people come, it'll probably be pretty dark already. Oh, I have to replace that. But I have little candles out for everything, but there's nothing really that's upstairs here that is decorated in particular. It's the way it normally is. Ooh, I gotta go turn on that fireplace. Okay, much better. And this is how the room normally looks. For the most part, we've actually had a sick lizard in here for a little while, so we took out the table and put that lizard in another room so it wouldn't be disturbed by all the party guests. And yeah, this is the main loft area for people to hang out in when they want to relax a little bit. It will be a little bit different looking when people are here, just because the lighting changes a lot when the windows don't have the sun coming through them anymore. And this is a new tank that currently doesn't have any critters in it, but it will. And then let me go downstairs for the main event. Oh, well, can't forget this. Now that's important. And then in this room here, this is the pirate bathroom, so not much has changed. Captain's quarters. And I have Tress in the Emerald Sea for here, as well as a candle lit, but not much has really changed in here except for the Tress. So moving on, we have this area here, which is pretty fun. And then here's the main room. Wow, so exciting. So, first up, gotta show you, it's here. Wind and Truth came out yesterday. And today is the day of the party. We have our knight all lit up. He's actually has a blue light in him, but it's hard to tell in the video. And here is our prize table with all sorts of fun prizes. There are 3 tiers for the prize table, and people can earn gem hearts in order to access different tiers of the prize table. So a lot of things are from the Dragonsteel website and the Brotherwise Games like Kickstarters and backer kit stuff, and then these are actually laser cut that we did, but most of the rest of the stuff is here. Oh yeah, and of course, obviously, Kremlings and stick. And then what else? Okay, we've got the leather bounds here. And then this battle. Oh, so exciting. Those are not on the prize table. It's just these things on the prize table. This would be an insane prize. It was very expensive. And then over here, we have the lighting changed a little bit to have the blue up on the top. And actually, this is new, but not really supposed to be part of this video, but we just got these guys in. Look at them, they look so good. Yeah. And then let's see what else. Dragon Moon is going strong. And more Lord of the Rings figures. We have set up the room in a way that most people will be looking towards the television, which is behind me. Because, oh, Dalinar's coat. And here's a Kremling. because we're going to be playing a game and we need everyone to be facing the screen. So we have plenty of seating on the ground, plenty of seating on chairs, and then I'll be moving chairs like these over as well when we play the game. And then actually there's two games. There's the game and then there's trivia bingo. And then these are little giveaways, which I put together. So you can see they're little pins, little Larkins, little Larkin pins. I always just loved this design on the Dawn Shard cover, so I wanted something cool to go with it. Here are the images, some images from the Brotherwise Games Stormlight Archive game, which is actually this one right here. But it's in its pretty case, because you can get it in a pretty case. And then what else? Oh, goodness. And then we have this here. So this is the our background for the party, and we'll be playing music soon. But we have some banners up on either side. Go. So that one's actually a little bit more blue than it looks, but yeah. Oh, so cool. And then what else? What else? Oh yeah, and then we have these little guys, are Kremlings, which people will be able to interact with if they so choose. They will have to, of course, clean their hands and make sure that they wash their hands afterwards. But here is Chasm Fiend and Gemheart. Look at them go. Oh my gosh, so cute. One's already hiding. So these are our two sweet little residents of Roshar, aka giant African millipedes, and we thought they would be perfect as little Kremlings for the party, and they're going to be going to a friend of ours after the party. So, because we have too many lizards and little critters to take care of at this point. So they're just hanging out. They're going to be cool little guys. Oh, okay, so this is really fun. This, these are little spheres that are little marbles, and what's cool about them is, as you can see, if you put them over this surface at all, which has a little copper wire thing and it's attached to a little unit in here, and that makes it so that the lights in here turn on. So they look like they're infused and glowing with stormlight, which is fun. And then this little display here, we have all these different characters from the books, as well as some cool coins. More characters, more characters. It's so exciting. And then we have all the Knights Radiant banners. But first, check this out. So just like the pin that I'm wearing, this pin we made as well last night for this dress, which we thought kind of fit Yasna's look. So that's our little Yasna. And then I'll turn around behind me before I go and look at the banners. And we're gonna check out, look at this. That's right, we made sphere lamps for this party. So I'll probably show some videos or photos and stuff on how I made them. But, oh, I love them so much. They're so pretty. We're definitely keeping these as normal lights in the future. Probably not here. They don't really fit the kitchen theme, but man, they're so cool. Yeah, so we had to have some sphere lanterns. And then we made some little cards for all of the things that are going to be out, all the food and whatnot. Some of it's already being put out, but you know, we have the classics for parties, drinks, and all sorts of things, and some fun labels. So here's some labels that are out with the food already. Glory Spren and Corrupted Glory Spren, which are these little brownie bites, because they're square. And some Asish pastries, and Anticipation Spren, strawberry belts. Oh yeah, so good. Oh, I need to put all the lights on for the drinks. Okay, so I have turned on some of the lights under these. They came with these cool Dragonfire wines, and they're just these little stick-on lights that I think make the drinks a little bit more fun. I could probably do the flashing mode, but for now they're just the light up mode. And then over here, we've started putting out some things, mostly the signs, although this curry is so good. Oh, and it's agender, so, you know, everyone can have it. And then over here, this will be for some imported meats from Shinovar. But these are additional seasonings. Fried crispy cremlings. Oh, yeah. So that's pretty fun. Whee! Okay, and then I'll show you these. Check this out. So we have some really cool banners that are really awesome. I'm really glad that someone sold theirs online because my stuff hasn't come in yet from the Words of Radiance. Whoop, I was just blocking this with my finger. Mine hasn't come in yet from the Words of Radiance backer kit thing. So I'm glad we found them here. And I didn't end up actually getting them from the Words of Radiance. So anyway, because I was worried they wouldn't come in time, which they didn't. And then here's our little Welcome to Roshar TV. And then here's me again. Loving this outfit. Yeah, it's very comfy. And I love this little pin. I love that I actually spent the time to make this thing. It's so cool. All right, and then here's the main hallway as you actually just walk into the house. Currently, it is unpainted. It still doesn't, here's a poster from my game. It still doesn't have almost anything up in it because it's unpainted and we have a lot to do to make it into a beautiful sci-fi hallway. But for now, let's go into the gym. So here's my shame. Just a bunch of boxes. Over here is just some workout stuff. There's a TV with the treadmill. We've got to put these lights on. I fixed it and put the lights on. So as you may have guessed, this room is anime themed. This is our anime gym. We've got a lot of fun figures in here from a bunch of different shows that we enjoy. And this is one of my favorite things, is actually taking one of these lights and putting a piece of clear acrylic on top to light up the bases of Iroh and Zuko. I thought that was clever. Yeah. So this room is not done yet either. We still have to paint all the rest of the walls. I just painted one wall because I was like, I just need one wall at least to be painted. And then here's some drinks in here. They're in the fridge. And then here is also the other room that still needs to be done. But this will eventually be the Pokemon / just cute critters bathroom. So it'll have a lot of, Pokemon and Pokemon-like things. So, Digimon or Monster Ranchers. Yeah, so that'll be this room. But for now, it is plain and sad. That's okay. Oh, wait. I don't know if I've ever done a little tour into my costume closet here, but I'll do one real quick. Ta-da! Costume closet. So these are all like fantasy costumes. These are all labeled costumes. These are capes and corsets, and then boxed costumes, as well as some pictures of me wearing the costumes. Ooh, and I just put this up as well. Check that out. It's signed by like the entire cast of Xena, or almost the entire cast, everyone who was at the thing earlier this year. So yeah, and then some really pretty dresses on stands because, I just like displaying costumes. I gotta really clean this mirror. And then that's almost it, except for one thing. Ta-da! We're going in here. Oh, we gotta turn on these lights. So here's just some free stuff that if friends want them, they can have stuff, because we do this for like almost every party. Items on the table are free to a good home. All right. Yeah, we don't like waste. So I gotta turn on these lights. Okay, and there are our trash cans. No, I'm kidding. There's the photography setup. And oh man, something that's really cool. So we have a lot of stuff, as you can see by our tour. And a lot of that stuff comes in these collectible boxes. And we also have, this is all like Halloween, Christmas decorations. And this is almost all just the collectible boxes. You can see like Sideshow up there, that things come in because in case we ever move, which we will likely, we want to be able to actually take all of our statues carefully in transit. So yeah, that's the garage. And that's, I think, the end of the tour.
So badass.
Looking
Channeling Dale.
good.
Oh, almost.
Oh no!